How to set up Passkey in Amazon shopping. In this video I'm going to show you how you can set it up. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom you can see this tree line icon. Tap on this tree line icon. Now here on the right top you can see this account. Tap on account. So here we're in this account settings. Now slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to see the option called login and security. Tap on login and security. Here scroll down until you find an option called Passkey. Simply tap on setup now. Here you'll be able to set up a passkey for entering this application. Now tap on setup. Here you can add your fingerprint or a pin or even different patterns. So simply add it and you'll be able to use it when you want to log in or even pay for any Amazon shopping products. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.